Now, Sandmeyer's reaction. What is Sandmeyer's reaction? When a freshly prepared diazonium salt is treated with cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide or cuprous that means and cuprous cyanide dissolved in the corresponding halogen acids, then the chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and the cyanogen which is formed is known as your Sandmeyer's reaction. Okay. Now see here. First of all, we'll take benzene diazonium chloride. When it's treated with cuprous chloride in presence of HCl, then with the removal of nitrogen gas, N2 gas, the halobenzene formed is known as chlorobenzene. Okay? Similarly, if you will take benzene diazonium chloride in presence of cuprous bromide, Cu2Br2 in presence of HBr, then it will form bromobenzene with the removal of N2. Okay? Nitrogen gas. Now similarly, when benzene diazonium chloride is treated with cuprous cyanide in presence of KCN and pyridine, then it forms cyanobenzene with the removal of nitrogen gas. So this preparation of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and cyanobenzene from benzene diazonium chlorides in presence of the respective cuprous chloride, cuprous bromide, cuprous cyanide in presence of HCl, HBr and KCN with the evolution of nitrogen gas is known as your Sandmeyer's reaction. Okay, thank you. Now, what is diazotization reaction? Diazotization reaction is when an aniline, that is your aromatic amine, in a dilute mineral acid in presence of sulfuric acid, treated with ice cold solution of nitrous acid, that is sodium nitrate and HCl, which forms nitrous acid HNO2, at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade or 273 to 2 centigrade Kelvin, forms a product which is known as your benzene diazonium chloride, and this reaction is known as your diazotization reaction. See here, this is your aniline, that is your aromatic amine. When treated with nitrous acid HNO2, this is your nitrous acid in presence of sodium nitrate and HCl at about 0 to 5 degrees centigrade or 270 to 278 Kelvin. Then it forms what it forms? It forms the diazonium salt, that is your benzene diazonium chloride with the removal of 2 molecules of water. So the formation of benzene diazonium chloride from the aniline or aromatic amine is known as your diazotization reaction. Okay, thank you.